Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have another Boston Scally unboxing. This one's going to be something special. As you can see behind me, how many people played Little League Baseball back in the 80s? And remember when the Big League Chew was like the huge thing? And just grabbing a pouch of it and just grabbing a handful, sticking in your mouth, even though it was really not good for you. But Boston Scally came out with a Big League Chew cap. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here and see what kind of goodies we got in the inside and see if we can take a little trip down memory lane. Yep, back in the 80s, I used to play at a place called Beck Fields in Belleville, Michigan. We never made it to the All-Stars like you see on TV or anything, but we were pretty decent baseball players back in the day. And let's get the paper out here, paper garbage. And the pin set, which comes here. Pretty cool looking pins. I think I'm going to use the initials there. Let's go ahead and get everything out. Look at this. Comes with a pack of Big League Chew. Just remember opening up the pouch, grabbing a handful, put it in your mouth. How cool is that? Yeah, the only thing is, like, this guy was not on the cover when I was younger. It was a guy who had like a green and yellow cap. It was one of the original ones. But yeah, the Big League Chew patch comes with it. Pack comes with it. And I'm wearing the Rocket Pop here now. Going to the zoo today. It's going to be 94 degrees here in Wichita today. Take out the cardboard. And this is the Big League Chew. Cool looking cap. 8-panel cap. This is a medium large. Has the nice Big League Chew logo on the inside. Medium large. Got the blue brim with the yellow on the inside. All right. Looks good. Looks good. And I mean, like, people are saying, like, why would they do a Big League Chew cap? Why not? I mean, this is definitely the era of people that are trying to cater around. I even got some pretty straight seams. But yeah, anybody in their late 40s, 50s, mid-low 40s, I mean, this is definitely hitting home for the homage of the nostalgia of growing up playing baseball. All right, we're going to pause the video, show you a close-up of it, and I'll be right back. All right, so here's a close-up of the Big League Chew. So you got the blue pinstripe cap inside. Of course, you got the Big League Chew logo. Out of here, the original Boston Big League Chew, Boston Scally medium large. And it did come with this pretty cool looking dust cap. And one thing different about this dust cap and what Boston Scally's been usually sending, this actually has a zipper. And a little bit different there. I don't know how I'm going to hang that though. I always hang mine up in my closet. But yeah, that is the dust cap. I kind of wish they had the drawstrings on this, just so I can hang it up on my little hooks in the. But I guess they wanted to replicate the pack of gum as well, because the pack of gum obviously doesn't have drawstrings. But yeah, that is the dust cap, Boston Scally cap, and here are what the pins look like. And I think I'm going to put the logo on the side. I don't think I'm going to put that one on there. But yeah, close up of the pins. All right, I'll go back to the regular video. All right, so I got the Big League Chew. I elected to go with the logo on here. It does have the logo of the Big League Chew on the back as well. A lot of things that were deterred people on a couple of the other releases, like the Grateful Dead and the Guinness, is that a lot of people were thrown off by the patchwork on the back. However, on this one here is nicely done. It does have the Big League Chew, obviously, initials on there. This one doesn't bother me as much as what the Grateful Dead or the Guinness one had. I don't mind it. It's just, I don't mind it on those caps as well. It's just I know that some people did deter them purchasing the cap because of that. But yeah, so let's go ahead and try it on. Another perfect fitting cap. Again, this is the medium large, straight seams. Let me go ahead and straighten my cap up there. There we go. And then I chose to elect to go with that pin instead of this one. As soon as I turn him the right way. Yeah, I ended up going, I think this one just looks better. All right, this is Reviews of Moose here. Any other comments, questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comments section. I pretty much respond to any of them. And if you want me to see any other cap reviews that you don't see on my page, just go ahead and put that cap in the comments. I'll go ahead and do a review on that for you. I'll even tag you in the review. Again, this Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.